ẹ gbóhùn lẹ́nu ọba àwòyìn Oluwo of Iwo. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀kùn. Ẹ farabalẹ̀, ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé, ẹ fìdílé nǹkan kẹ́yìn náà gbọ́ wìnrìnwìnrìn. Olúwo tú àwọn àṣírí ńlá eléyìí tó wà láàrin òun àti Ọọ̀ni tilé Ifẹ̀ yìí, Ọba Adewusi Enitan. Ìfẹ́ máa fi gbogbo ẹnu sọ, ṣùgbọ́n tẹ́yìn náà bá ti gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ náà tán, kó tó di pé ẹ̀ máa gbọ́ tán, tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ tẹ́yìn wọn lẹ́yìn bá tẹ subscribe button, pìtìpìtì ayé ò ní bá wa. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lágbára, àṣírí ńlá Olúwo tú. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tiẹ̀ jọ lọ gbọ́, mò ń bọ̀.
This message is for Nigerians, most especially the Yorubas. I'm saying this because I want other Nigerians to know. When I get on the throne, we see me talking about this Ooni Adeyeye. You will see me talking about what you don't know. I will tell you today. The governor of Osun State, commissioners, and all. This I helped Ooni Adeyeye, but because Ongbe Orisha law, he was holding Orisha as and me, God has put me as above Orishas, as a king. But let's look at it. And because of that, as a kingmaker or somebody that helped a king to become the king that I was, he doesn't want me to say the story in the future. He was looking for my downfall. Then the next thing, they packaged a woman. It was a woman that was packaged for me, that I don't know her, from Canada. But it was packaged for me, it was a setup. After they set me up, they were talking to her in our own, she was in my house, and they were talking to her and setting me up. Setting up with videos, setting up with many things. This wife will be, this supposedly wife, an ex-wife, but it was dead. They sent into my house and they were communicating with her. She was there for over 3 years. She had a child, which I don't even know if it's my child now. I have to confirm that through DNA. Because they want her to kill me. She poisoned me 2 times. They set up assassination attempt. They did everything so that maybe the Orisha or the gods will kill me. But they failed. After I kicked this woman, when I found out the secret and I kicked this woman out, it was this Ooni Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi that asking what was the lady doing with him in the hotel. I won't mention the hotel, but when there is clarification, I will be mentioning. I'm also kini se ní hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì papọ̀. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó òun náà lọ gbalé fún àtọmọ àtìyàwó ní Ooni Adeyeye Ogunwusi. Ẹ wá ní mò ń sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá jẹ́wọ́ ni ìyàwó tó fẹ́ pàwọ̀. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá o, tó bá jẹ́wọ́ ni, tó bá jẹ́yìn ni ìyàwó tí wọ́n set sínú ilé ẹ̀ tó wá pa tí ò rí ọ pa. Ìjà yóò lè tán láti máa bá lọ ní èmi ò sì ṣe pa. Ọba aṣọ ògùn títí òrìṣà ọkàn Ṣàngó ò lè pè mí bàbá mi ní òrìṣà, bàbá mi ní Ṣàngó, bàbá ńlá mi, ṣùgbọ́n ọmọ gbọ́dọ̀ ju bàbá náà lọ. Mo ti dọ́ba lénìí. Ṣàngó ò lè pa mí, Ṣàngó is a criminal. Ògún ò lè pa mí, Ògún is a criminal. Àwọn bàbá ńlá wa ni, they are not criminals, so they won't be killing their children. Come on, gbógun tó, come on, say ogun. Wọ́n ní Ọọ̀ni ó suspend mi, Ọọ̀ni lè suspend èmi lọ́ba. Paramount ruler or suspend another paramount ruler. So ojú mi lọ ní àgbáwo, àbó fi po ojú mi lọ. Yamba set 1, 2, 3 ní Ọ̀ṣun, kò ṣe pé àwọn paramount rulers wọn ò kàn lè kó gbogbo wa sí number 1 ní àwọn tá a jẹ́ náà paramount rulers. So kó ń kálukú lọ máa ń pé n ti ń bẹ lẹ́yìn ọ̀fà ó jòjì lọ. bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti ṣe bí sí mi níjọ́ lẹ́yìn nígbà òun ṣéun àmọ́ wò ó níjọ́ iwájú àwọn wà máa sọ gbogbo ohun tí wọ́n ti ṣe ìlà ń sọ yìí yóò dá fún yín ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn ilé ṣùgbọ́n tó bá jẹ́wọ́ ni ṣé wọ́n gbà rẹ̀.